Coats 9500 coming right back at you. It's good old Sunday still, April 20th, 9 p.m. And new backpack. Yep. Got a nice clean shower room here at the truck stop. Not too bad. Nice tile floors. Right there. Nice sink. Nice free shower. Huh? Nothing wrong with that. There. Yeah, I picked this backpack up at Walmart for like 33 bucks, $32, 33. I know their wrenches and screwdrivers are garbage. I'm gonna give their backpack a try. I'll see what happens. Alright guys, talk to y'all later. Enjoy these videos on the road. Give me an old like, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out.